What's long black and you can't sell on eBay? I'll let you know in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to Resale Dojo, where we grow our reselling businesses together. Today I'm going to be going over an item that is banned on eBay. I actually even tried to sell it on Mercari. It is banned on there as well, and I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to be selling it anywhere. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I am a full-time reseller, and I put out videos like this to help you guys look out for things that you can sell on eBay and other platforms, but also items that you should not be buying for reselling on any of the platforms as well. And that is what is happening here in today's video. The mysterious long and black item that I actually found at the thrift store for $4 is this lift amp. Now I'm sure you guys know about lift amps. You see them whenever you're ordering a lift and getting into the vehicle. It's common for most lift vehicles to have them in there. The lift amps are there to help you identify the lift vehicles of the drivers and let you get into the right ones. And the reason why you cannot sell these on eBay or Mercari is something called Sami's Law, which went into effect a couple of years ago. And I'll link below what Sami's Law is, but in effect, it is a law to make it safer for people using car services such as Uber and Lyft. So anyone that is driving for Lyft or Uber, you know, they have all their identification, all their cars are supposed to be marked properly so people know which cars to get in and out of. And this law came into effect because a girl, I believe in New Jersey or New York, got murdered by getting into the wrong vehicle. That she thought she was getting into an Uber and she got into someone else's vehicle and just met the wrong people and died. And so as part of that, they wanted to make sure that Ubers and Lyfts and all different type of vehicle companies are properly identifying their vehicles with the right, you know, stickers or lights or whatever to help users get into the right vehicle and not run into that situation again. Now, if you go on eBay and you look up for lift amp, you'll find usually 0 listed, but like 100 sold. So some people are sneaking them through by spelling it incorrectly, all that type of stuff, and people are still buying them, and they're buying them for usually about $100, just the lamp alone. The reason why Lyft bans these from being sold is because they do give them out for free. So ideally, if someone's trying to buy these, they aren't, you know, on the up and up and going through Lyft, and they're probably trying to impersonate a driver or anything like that. But there are also other cases where people have broken theirs, they're not able to get them. I looked on different Reddit forums for the drivers, and a lot of drivers just can't get them sent to them. It's like on back order from them, or they don't qualify for it yet, and a lot of them just want it because it makes them look a lot more official when they have it in the front of their dash, and they're just waiting for them still. So that's why people are still buying them for like $100, is because there are some legit drivers out there that are looking for them. But it is banned on eBay and Mercari. I tried it on both of those. I did not try OfferUp or Facebook or any of those places as well. I felt like if it's banned on those two platforms, I probably should not be selling it. And especially due to Sami's Law, I don't want this to get into someone's hands that shouldn't be using it. So I'm just gonna probably trash this thing or put it in the corner of my room. It's a nice little light to put on for videos or something like that. So that's my quick video of something that's long, black, and can't be sold on eBay. Let me know what you thought about it down in the comments. Let me know other banned items that you know about, that you've tried to list, or that you've just heard through the grapevine and want other people to make sure not to pick them up whenever they see them at garage sales, thrift stores, estate sales, etc. So thank you guys for joining me. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Maybe check out one of the 2 videos over there. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.